Hello students, in the previous session we have gone through the concept of quantifiers, so now we will start chapter. So the first exercise is underline the quantifiers in the following sentences. Write Q for quantifiers expressing quantity and N for quantifiers expressing number. First is, how much patience do you expect me to have? Now much is quantifier and we will write Q. Next, can you wait for the delivery for a few days? A few is quantifiers. Now we can count days, so we will write N. Next, Joseph and had more time to work on his presentation than Tom did. More is quantifier and we cannot count time, so we will write here Q. Next, several people congratulated him for winning the scholarship. So, several is quantifier and we can count people, so we will write N. Now from E to H is in homework. Okay, so second exercise is underline the determiners in the following sentences and bracket the nouns or noun phrases they specify. Write Q for quantifiers that express quantity and N for quantifiers that express number. So first is, I can't get any reception here. Any is intensifier and reception is noun, and we will write Q. Next, you should look after your children with a lot of care. A lot of is quantifier and care is noun as we cannot count, so we will write Q. Next, most of my classmates attend tuition classes. Now most of is quantifier. My classmates, we can count, so we will write N. Next, choose any plant you like. I will buy it for you. Any is quantifier and plant is noun. So we can count. So we will write N. Now from E to H is in homework. Third exercise is that fill in the blanks using suitable quantifiers. My mother helped me with dash my homework. All my homework. Next, the city has gone through quite dash changes. A few changes. Dash the money they had saved up had to be used for hospital fee. A lot of the money they had saved up had to be used for the hospital fees. I have dash faith in their promises. I have no faith in their promises. Now from E to H is in homework. Now, fourth exercise is read the following sentences, underline the quantifiers that express number and circle the quantifiers that express quantity. Okay, so जो number express करेंगे उन पे हमें underline करना है और जो quantity express करेंगे उन पे हमें circle करना है. First is, I am a little nervous about the presentation this weekend. Now a little क्या है, quantifier है और वो क्वांटिटी है, सो हम लोग सर्कल करेंगे. अ लिटिल नर्वस. नेक्स्ट, अ फ्यू बुक्स वर अरेंज्ड वेरी मैसली इन द लाइब्रेरी. अ फ्यू क्वांटिफायर है और बुक्स नंबर, सो वी विल अंडरलाइन अ फ्यू. नेक्स्ट, आई डोंट एग्री विथ सम ऑफ हिज आइडियाज. सो सम इज क्वांटिटी. नेक्स्ट, Chandana doesn't have enough patience to deal with long queues. So enough is quantity, so we will circle it. Now from E to H is in homework. Now fifth exercise is fill in the blanks with suitable quantifiers from the box. Some options can be used more than one sentence. Okay, so first is, I have dash chapters left to finish before the test. I have a few chapters left to finish before the test. Next, there are dash apples in the fridge. You can have them. There are some apples in the fridge. You can have them. Next, my new school is dash nicer than my old one. Much nicer than my old one. Next, there are so dash interesting places to visit in the world. So many interesting places to visit in the world. Now from E to H is in homework. Sixth exercise is complete the following dialogue using the correct quantifiers given in brackets. First is Archana. Hey Saurav, what are you going to do with boxes? So many boxes. Saurav, hey, I am moving to the new department soon. So I was thinking of packing my stuff in them. All my stuff in them. Archana, that's a good idea. But why are you moving? Saurav, I recently adopted dogs. 2 dogs. My current apartment was too small. A little too small for 3 of us, all 3 of us. So I decided to look for a place with space, more space. Now rest part is in homework. Now question number 7, that is identify the errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. Now this exercise should be done in notebook. The first one is I have plenty faith in my best friend. So in the place of plenty we will write a lot. So the sentence will be I have a lot of faith in my best friend. Next, Toby lent me less money he had for the train journey. So in the place of less, we will write the little. So the sentence will be Toby lent me the little money he had for the train journey. Next, enough houses in my neighborhood do not have electricity. So in the place of enough, we will write most houses. So the sentence will be most houses in my neighborhood do not have electricity. Next, Shalu had much questions to ask to the professor. So in the place of much, we will write many. So the sentence will be Shalu had many questions to ask the professor. Now from E to H is in homework. Now question number 8 is rewrite the given sentences using an appropriate quantifier from the box below. Quantifiers may be repeated if necessary. One has been done for you. So the first one is there are dogs in the park today. So the sentence will be there are a lot of dogs in the park today. Second is practice caution while driving. So the sentence will be practice more caution while driving. Next, every participant should bring their registration certificate with them. So in the place of every, we will write all the. So the sentence will be all the participants should bring their registration certificate with them. Next, please add only a small amount of sugar in the tea. So in the place of a small, we will write a little. So the sentence will be, please add only a little amount of sugar in the tea. Now from E to H is in homework.